açayım da ASMR yapayım dedim ya. Evet. Ben bir kahve yapayım ya. Kahve olana kadar ayakta koklayacağım şöyle. Item sim. Abi envanter hayatımda hiç kodlamadım ya. Growing grass live stream? Nah, I mean we're touching grass, bro. Not growing grass. Like see? Wait, hold on. Dude, I don't support growing grass. I support touching grass instead. Come on, dude, isn't this peak? I think it's peak. It's like better than grow a garden, I swear. Like when I finish this game, it's gonna be better. I'm not kidding, actually. Like, I'm gonna put like 2 months of effort in this game, and when I complete it, you're gonna see. I'm not growing shit in this game. We are touching shit. Dude, I actually touched Jim too, don't worry. I actually touched Jim. Like, probably I touch Jim more than I touch grass. And I'm not kidding. Because I'm not going out with anyone or something. I just go out for Jim and like buying stuff. Otherwise, I don't even go out. I only develop games, dude. I'm great. Holy. Okay, I'm making a coffee now. Hold on. What is my PR bench? Like 80 kilograms. But I don't do bench, I swear. Like I like it's kind of gay when you say I don't do bench, but I actually prefer like normal dumbbell press more. So I can do like 74 reps, but it's not that satisfying. I prefer doing dumbbell press for reps. For PR, I don't really have like gym bodies in here. I used to have gym bros like a year ago. Now I don't, and I don't really want to ask people to spot me, so I don't try for PR anymore. Yeah, both are good. I don't blame people for doing bench press. Back in the day, it was really peak, but I quit making PRs and shit. Okay, I forgot what I was doing. Oh yeah, inventory. Dude, I never coded inventory in my life, and I have no clue on how am I gonna code this shit. But I'm somehow going to find a way. I used to go with my friends from school back in like high school, but they all quit and now I live alone. Like I only have a single friend in university and he's like 50 kilograms, so I can't go to the gym with him. Oops. So, this is the UI side. First, I think I should make a template on items. Actually, I have a template ready. I think in here, it should be pet template. I can just make it an item template. Boom. Item template. What the fuck? Item template. Okay. We remove the green dot. Pet icon goes to item icon, and the pet name goes item name. Oh wait, I should get an item count for this too, because it's it's an item. So I say item count. Okay, so load inventory for I v in pairs data dot inventory do local item template equals dude, I'm freestyling right now. Like, I actually have no plan on coding this. Okay. Item template dot item count equals v dot item count and template dot item name equals v dot item name. Item template dot icon equals v dot item icon. But wait, more like config dot wait, item config equals config dot items config dot items. I do item config item name v dot item name. Speedrunning to make the best game in Roblox. Yeah. Actually, I'm like taking my time this time. I made a game in like 5 days at August, and it didn't really turn out well. Like, okay, the game was completed, game was good, but I didn't really do like good monetization and, you know, like PR, no ads, nothing. I just made the game for making the game, and eventually it got 0 visits. Like 50 visits actually. The issue with that is like when you make a game and you have no budget for ads and like no community. I actually have a community, but it's so dead because I don't post beats from anymore. The issue is if you make a game that has to get at least 2 players to start, like it's a really big problem, because someone joins, you get 1 player, but since the game starts with 2 players, that player is gonna leave in 10 seconds, which is really making the retention go down, since players just leaves in 10 seconds, and like the player count is not going up since no one is joining because of that. But in this game, since it's a simulator, like you can play solo, it don't matter. So it's gonna be easier to get players. So that's why I'm giving time to, you know, get it to maximum potential as possible. We are item name. Wait, no. Ah, yes. Item icon. Let's set this now. On config. No. This was tools. It don't matter. I can just say config dot inventory items. Boom. And I do inventory items. And in the item service. Inventory items. Okay. Get item by name. Why the fuck did I even do this? I could just do this, like local items like what now? I think I should check if the player already has the item. So if he got the item, it's gonna add to the count instead of just adding a frame. So I think I should like maybe do something like for I equals v item in pairs data player inventory. This came up in your feed randomly. I wish it showed up in more people's feed, because I have 5k subscribers, bro. Like getting 2 views per stream is just ass, you know, like but I still enjoy it, you know, like making stream. I get like one person per like 30 minutes, and that's enough for me. Dude, it's crazy that I used to get like 200k views on my videos, and now I only have 3 people watching my video. I mean stream. It's crazy. But as I said, yeah, I still enjoy it. Because my main goal is not streaming, it's developing my game. It is what I'm trying to do. And like the goal is still to get like at least maybe 10 players to play my game from streaming. And I'm streaming just because of that. Okay, so yeah, thanks Roblox AI for just completing that. Thank you, bro. You got it. I dot. You're the boss, man. Dude, like I remember, like I actually made a live stream back in like 2022, and I got like 20 viewers immediately because it was about Bee Swarm Simulator, and just because that it's about game developing now, no one gives a fuck. That is kind of desperate, but they're like, I think YouTube is not pushing my videos to my subscribers, but that's really normal since I quit uploading like 3 years ago, almost 2.5 years ago. Dude, like I uploaded 2 videos 7 months ago, and they did shit. They didn't do a shit. They did like ass, so bad, like 700 views. Dude, I used to get 100Ks, man. But yeah, it's okay. Actually, I was remaking Bee Swarm Simulator like a week ago. Then I realized that it was actually so hard. Like, I was developing games actively like 9 months. I think it's been 9 months, and I'm like fully scripting. I'm just putting all my hours on developing game, and I was like, yeah, I think it's time to recreate a Bee Swarm Simulator now. It was about like instead of fields, you have like sand fields, and like generally the same concept, but it was all about sand. Then like at my 4th day, I think I quit because it was actually so hard, and I switched to Grass Touching Simulator instead. What I was stuck with is making the pets like gather in the field, you know, drop tokens, you know, making abilities and shit. That was so hard. But actually, like when I finish this game, I'm planning to make a video on this, since I actually need some players to play my game. I'm gonna say like I made something similar to Bee Swarm Simulator, or like maybe Bee Swarm Simulator got boring, so I made myself an own Bee Swarm Simulator. If I can get like a 1,000 viewers on that, Dude, I'm saying 1,000 viewers. I used to get 100,000. It's crazy. If I can get 1,000 viewers to watch that video, that will be like, that's my goal, actually. That will be crazy. Because like 1,000 viewers equals like at least 10 players to play your game. Because only 10, like only that 1,000 viewers are the only real G's, the real guys, real goated person. Okay, so I gotta log in. So if it finds, it just adds. Else, let's add an else. Else. It's gonna say table.insert. What? Item.max. What the fuck is item.max? I don't have a max count for item. Table. Since it returns, I don't have to do this because it returns and this won't run because of that. Okay. Print item count added. Dude, I have no clue on what I'm doing right now. Give item to player. Okay. So let's actually create an item, maybe. I'll say like placeholder item equals, let's say, buffs item name. Oops. Hold on, I'm gonna... Oh yeah, I can't change the music since it's fucking copyrighted. Dude, I hate copywriting in YouTube. It just immediately copyrights you if you change the music to something copyrighted. I wanted to listen to something else. Anyways. Item name. Placeholder item. Am I making like a template or a config information right now? I'm curious, like I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I should say item count, but that will be stupid. That will be stupid as fuck. Item count equals 0? Dude, what the fuck? Okay. Item rarity? Yeah. Item rarity equals common. So like when I get an item, this is like a template. Yeah, this is a starter template and I just copy right into the player inventory. And if it already has the item, it's gonna say, like it's not gonna paste it, it's just gonna get the count plus. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to do now. Let's do... Yeah, and when that happens, I'm gonna say get the infos, item name, item count, and icon. Yeah, I have to set the icon too. So let's go back to config. I say icon equals let's get this stupid placeholder icon, and whenever I load the inventory, which I think I should do when the data gets loaded, so, or like wait, like for testing purposes I'm gonna do this. hold on. When I open the inventory, let's say local inventory module equals inventory. Load inventory. What the hell? Hold on. Load inventory. Okay. Dude, I got lost. Yeah. So, oh, we got 8 people. Damn. I sometimes stream on Twitch too, and I got 12 once. It was crazy. Okay, so in here I have to actually get a template to be in the scrolling frame. So item template dot parent equals what? Local pop-up equals, dude, just get the player GUI, man. Yeah. Player GUI dot pop-up. Pop-up dot inventory main dot scrolling frame. Okay, so let's say print v dot name, no, v dot item name, go add it to inventory. But I actually have to give myself an item first. How am I gonna do that? Let's see. I go in here, I say local inventory service equals, is actually what it is. No, oh wait, I already have it on items. Yeah, in item service I do on the data load, I say item service, give item to player, and item name, placeholder item. I think it was the correct name, placeholder item. Okay, I'm probably gonna get an error code now. I do not, but I don't have the item either. Okay, inventory is not a valid member of local script. What? In which script I'm getting that? UI service? Script parent inventory. Oh, okay, it's a name difference. Okay, I still don't have it. Why do I not have it? Let's see this though. Pop up, that's main. Wait, inventory main, scrolling frame. Yeah, I don't have it in here. What the fuck? Config? Can't find what? Dude, why? Dude, it's the name. Oh my god, it's because like lowercase. Just because it was lowercase, it gave an error code. Okay. Now which we're gonna say, dude, it's fucking variables. Starter player is not a valid member of players. Okay. Okay. At least it got easy solution. Bro. Player. Local player equals, you know, I already have it in here. Paste it. Player dot player scripts dot local player data. Thank you. The other 2 people in the chat, can you hear me? I think one is AFK. That's my friend. And the other one is idot. Dude, I still don't have the item. What the hell? Okay. Why do I not have it? Alright. Something strange. Did I even give myself the item? Let's be sure about that first. Successfully gave the item, let's say. Successfully gave the item, okay. Then I should have it in my inventory. Let's print the inventory. Item service. Print player inventory. Wait, I did not inform the client of that. That might be why. Dude, that's why. Stupid. Yeah, I don't understand what's happening here. Don't worry. Yeah, I have to inform the client that I updated the inventory now, because that's how the things go. Boom. Player inventory equals data.inventory. Okay, I still don't have it? What? Dude, what? Wait, it print out empty table? That's a problem. I said insert the item. Items config, item name. Dude, give item to player, print item name. Wait, print item. Then print item name. Wait, first print item name, then print item. I think I have a problem with getting the item. I was gonna say it says nil. What? Placeholder item, items config, item name. Dude. Config.inventory items. I go to config, inventory items. I have placeholder item, and the name is literally the same. Oh wait, it's the dude. It's just oh my god! Just because of a one letter being uppercase, it just broke it. Hold on, I'm gonna fix it now. Yeah, just because of this. Damn. Yeah, I still don't have it. Crazy. Item count is not a valid member of image body item template. Dude, I don't want you to search for that. I want you to search for the item instead. But that's my fault, I think. Data.inventory. Item count is... Dude, I forgot to say text. Damn. Image for this. So it's gonna work now, I think. It should be working. Crazy. Index name with icon. Dude, I literally do have an icon. How? Like, you can clearly see the icon. Item name dot icon. Item config, inventory items. Dude, there is icon. How is that possible? It's an image. Item config. I'm gonna print this out to see what's going on. Nil? What? Dude, what is going on, man? Item name. V.item name. Do I even know what the V is? Let's say print V, print I. Okay, so which one is that? Wait, what? In this, yeah, okay, in load inventory, it says 1, so index is 1, okay. Dude, the icon is literally here. Crazy. Do I just say v.icon? I say v.icon, I'm stupid. Yeah, so it should work now. Yeah, okay, I got it to work at least. It's showing the pet, but okay. At least I got it to work. So item template, I change it to this. The placeholder item, I copy this. In config, I just paste it. And I think I should change it a little bit. In like, okay, let's, for testing purposes, add this in here. Okay. Did I accidentally change pet template instead? No way. Bro, crazy. Okay. I'm gonna set the placeholder item now. Please change it. Oh wait, that's my bad. I'm stupid. Bro, this is transparent. The icon is in here instead. Damn. Okay. Then I put the count in here, and let's say I'm gonna say like x5. So I'm gonna know that I have 5 of this item. And let's make sure that it perfectly fits in the template. Okay. Alright, so let's put it in the presets and I'll try again. Yeah, okay, at least it works now. Crazy. We're getting better, bro. We're getting better. I'm gonna get the I forgot what it was. Yeah, update hovers. Yeah, I gotta do that. Local UI service equals require script dot parent dot UI service. Okay. My service. Update hovers. Boom. I could have just, oh my god, I'm stupid. I could have just make this in here. Add item to inventory. Like this. Alright. Because that's what I did in the pet one. So I'll say item and I'm gonna do this instead. It is literally the same thing, but still.
So whenever I get an item, it should get a hover too. Hover. Let's see how I did this in here. On click. Okay, I give it a functionality of on click. Local function on click. It's literally gonna be the same with the pets one. Like nothing's gonna change. Yeah, I do remove pets info right and bring pets info for a new one. I'm gonna do it for item. The current template. Let's set a current template in here too. Local current template is nil. And I don't have to do this in here. Yeah, I don't have to do this. I wonder how I'm gonna make the using the item, like do I make a button to use an item or just like just click on it maybe? I think clicking is going to be the way. Wait, hold on, then like but then having the information on the right side will be stupid since you have to click on it to see the information, and if you click on it, if you use it, that won't be great, that will be stupid. So I have to think of a way of dude, why is it so fucking hard to think? Like when you're playing a game, you can easily say that if I was making that game, I would have, you know, made this here like this, but when you're actually making the game, you can't decide what to do. Hold on, I gotta pee, man. Pee is going to boost my mentality. It's gonna boost my IQ, and I'm gonna be able to think of what I'm doing. Okay, I still ain't got no clue. That's the problem. Like, let's say that I click, I see the item. Do I press use or like maybe I click on like something like show item information? Maybe I make like a you heard the twice flash. Okay, I did that on purpose. I didn't close the microphone. Okay, so I can do like a mode in here, which is going to be show information. If you click on it, when you click on items, you're gonna see the information of item, and when you close it, you're just gonna use the item when you click on the item. I think that's the way to go. That will be easy to make. I think. I hope so. Yeah, that's actually logical. Okay, I'm gonna add a why is it transparent? What the fuck? Okay. I'm gonna add a button now. Let's copy it from here. Make it visible. And make the color like some wait, hold on. Make the color something like this. Yes. And I say show item info. Is it so long? Yeah, it's long. Wait, I can fit it. Dude, this sucks actually, but okay. I think I'm gonna somehow make it happen. I don't give a fuck anymore, bro. I'm just gonna make it. Oh, I can do like actually wait. This right bar is going to be always closed, and when I click on show item info, it's gonna slide in here, and you know, like, yeah, it's just it. Okay, that will be smooth. That will be cool. Not gonna lie. If I can make it, that will be goated. Like, how can I do it? Maybe like this. Like boom. And the scrolling frame is going to move as well, so the items will actually, like, this item is going to be coming here since the scrolling frame is going to be moving. Yeah, but I'm gonna do it. Like, all this stuff in here is gonna be moving, but how am I gonna do it? I have no clue. I have to work on tweens for that. I'm kind of bad at tweening, but okay. No, wait. Actually, I'm gonna put this here. Hold on. I'm gonna put this here. Gotta make it more visible by changing the image color to like something like green. Is going to be, yeah, it's going to be attractive, I think. Okay. So whenever I click on this shit is going to pop up, and when I click on items, it's going to be showing the stats instead. Okay. All right. Enough yapping. I gotta lock in now. Okay, so let's give that shit a functionality first. Where's my inventory UI? Okay. Local, wait, function, inventory UI, show right bar, I think. Wait, show right bar. Dude, adjusting the scrolling frames size is going to be pain in the ass. How big it is now? Like here? Okay, so let's get the size of this. Bro, like, this is stupidly long. I can just straight up get it in, like, I think just local original size equals inventory main dot scrolling frame dot size. Okay, dude, I'm genius. Okay, I'm genius. And the local full size. No, actually, full size is just going to be 1 on the on X. It's going to be 1, and in here it's gonna stay the same. I think it should be the thing. Why the fuck would you even go here instead of there, bruh? Crazy. Dude, do I have to align the position and size at the same time? Bro. Why do I do that? I'm gonna get some full screen. Okay, let me check the stream quality. Dude, it's 720p. I think it don't really matter since I'm not gaming. Okay, now. BSS content? I think never, actually. Like, the BSS content, if you count it, I don't know, but the game I'm making is kind of similar to Beast from Simulator. Like, it has some similarities, and if you count that as a Beast from content, that's a Beast from content then. Dude, because like, for me, Beast from Simulator is dead. Like, okay, it's still getting 35k active players, cool, but like, be real, bro. Like, it's not even getting an update. It's just, I don't know. They all AFK players, and I kind of feel like I completed everything. Like, I achieved the something like 15th spot on all-time leaderboard back in 2022 or like 23, no 22, yeah. And like, that was my goal. I couldn't go like any better than that. I got the Planner of Plenty, and I have all the tools. I have 2120 level high. That was enough for me. I had enough fun. Like, the real fun in that game was the times where I was playing with my friends on like mid game. That was the actual fun times, and the rest was just try-harding, speedrunning shit, you know, like being in a hurry to make content. That wasn't really fun. Like, not gonna lie, the YouTube and, you know, all that stuff, the viewers, the attention I was getting because of YouTube, that was really cool. Like, I really liked the way people was like watching my videos and talking to me, but, you know, every good thing comes to an end. Sadly. Okay. Dude, this. Hold on, I gotta align my monitor. Okay. Did I even name it? Show info. Let's call it show info dot mouse click connect show right bar. Let's make some local function. What am I doing? I'm not gonna stop streaming till I get this inventory shit done. Cause like when I'm streaming, my goal is not to get viewers or anything. It's just me forcing myself into, you know, doing more code stuff. Because if I wasn't streaming right now, I would be probably watching videos or something. I don't know. So it's cool. Even though like if 5 people watching, that's still cool. Because it's not my goal to get a lot of viewers. Boom. Original position, let's say top position, and let's add a touch tab for this. Touch tab, what the fuck? Okay. Original size, original position. Local right bar equals false, and if right bar equals false, if not right bar, then make this happen. Shit, it's hot in here. And else make the size holy fuck, man. So what I want to happen in here, wait, I don't have to touch this. I just gonna make the scrolling frame come here, which is going to be 1 on size. Yeah, size is going to be 1, and the position, the X just changes. Dude, actually nothing is changing. I'm stupid, bro. I'm just straight up going to say like local target position equals, and the target size is going to be show the target size. Bro, so the position is going to stay the same. Let me check again. Yeah, dude. What if I make this 5? Does it really change? It does change. Okay. Um, 5, 15, and the size is just 1 and 7. Okay. So if this, I'm gonna do like, if there's no right bar, which there won't be a right bar in, like when it loads up, what I should do, like with the right bar visible or like not visible. Dude, I gotta have a fucking plan, bro. I gotta have a plan. I'm freestyling on game developing right now. That's not good. I'm like making serious decisions in like 10 seconds. That is not cool. I might pay the price. Okay, let's make it when I load the inventory, there won't be a right side for items. Okay, so that's literally going to be false on default, which it is. So I'm gonna say show right bar. Let's make the right bar not visible, and this shit, wait, wrong, the scrolling frame is just fully up there, and this thing is in the middle. Actually, if I aligned it with the scrolling frame, it would have been better, but since it's getting on the layout, it will be broken. But if I say fold it and add this in here, it's not going to be moving with that. But this is the issue with making this shit. So I'll say in the middle, what the fuck, 4, the size, make it like 5, this size, make it smaller, way smaller, like 0.5. Great. Now get this, oops, like here. Yeah, okay. Now I think I should get it kind of smaller. Nah, not the position. Not a 4 is the goal. Okay. And now if I align the scrolling frame, it's gonna move. Yeah, sweet. And dude, am I stupid? So if it's going to be false, the inventory is going to be on full scale, which I wrote down in full scale in here. So I should get the one in here instead. 32. That's same. That is same. That is just 0.65, let's say. Okay. I'm going to say if it's off, then make it target position, target size, target position. Else make it target, wait, hold on, original size, original position. if I do this, right bar equals true, right bar equals false. Okay. Let's add the right bar in the hovering shit. Oh wait, no. It's not gonna do it. Past value is not a function? What? Ah, my bad, I'm stupid. Okay. Recrossing model has an experience an error while loading. What? 91. I tried to call a nil value. Dude, I changed it. I'm stupid. Dude. Alright. Attempt to connect failed. Past value is not a function. Are you fucking serious with me? Do I like do it like this? Is that why? Okay. Dude, are you serious? It didn't even change a shit. Like, look. Oh my god. Oh wait, I had to do it like this. So it's gonna work now. It should be working. Wait. Boom. Boom. Okay. Now, I'm gonna make the text equals hide info. Not the text color, dumbass. Image color and yeah, better, pretty much better. On click, if right bar equals, wait, if right bar, then I'm going to do the how I didn't hear. On click. Where's on click? Bring pet info. Okay, I'm gonna make the same function in here. Call it bring item info. So let's do it in here. Function bring item info. Dude, everyone died. I'm just getting 1 views now. Dude, at least it used to be 5. Progress? Yes, progress. Good progress. Can bring item info. I do dude, how I did it in here. Oh, I literally just do the right bar. Okay. Okay. Right bar. I gotta set a right bar first. Local right bar equals boom. Right bar dot visible equals true. And this one is going to make it false. Right bar dot wait, how I did it in here? Pet item boom. Okay, so what did I have in right bar? Okay, icon equals this. Yeah, thank you. Okay, I got the dumbass music back. Dude, Derp is also streaming. I think that's why I'm not getting any views. Crazy. Okay, let's see now. Dude, no, not like this, bitch. Why am I not able to see the item? What the fuck? Okay, hold on. Bro, I'm gonna dip now. Because I gotta eat. And also, I'm gonna watch Derp stream. Because I learn from stuff. I learn stuff from Derp. That's important.